Hello friends, how are you? So welcome to my another video of this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find total length of each playlist of your YouTube channel, or it can be of someone else as well. So for example, what I mean is this is my channel over here and I have multiple playlist over here. So if I go under IT support, then I have too many videos under this playlist. Same with another playlist too. So if I choose this one, then I got almost 8 videos over here. So if I want to count the length of all videos in total of each playlist, then it can be hard sometimes, especially if you have too many videos in each playlist. So in this video, I will show you how to find total length of each playlist easily. And there are two solutions for that. So first solution I will discuss here is from YouTube Studio. So to go to YouTube Studio, you can either click here on your videos, or you can go from here YouTube Studio. So let's go to the YouTube Studio, then go to your content, then go to the playlist, and you can get shareable link over here. Just click on get shareable link, then link will be copied. Then just go to the Google and then type over here calculate minute of a playlist, then choose the first one, YouTube playlist length, then just paste the link over here. Then once you paste it, click on analyze. So here it will say your channel name and how many videos are there. For example, 32 videos, and then total length of the playlist is 2 hour 31 minutes and 8 seconds. So similarly, if you want to find the total length of another playlist, then just click on the same one, then just copy and paste, and this playlist is of total 29 minute 43 seconds. So this is how you find the total length of each playlist. And then you don't have to count manually. So this solution will work if it your YouTube channel, so that you can go to the YouTube Studio and then get the link. But if you want to calculate the time of the playlist of another YouTube channel or someone else YouTube channel, then there is a second method, and that's quite very easy than the first one. So what you do is just click right click over here, then copy link address from the channel, and then go on the same link and then copy and paste the link, click on analyze. Then you'll see the total length of the playlist. So if you want to check another one, we'll try from the collection one. So you are in the channel, so and then this playlist length is total 17 minutes 37 seconds. So these are the two methods you can find the total length of the playlist of your YouTube channel, or it can be of anyone YouTube channel. You just simply need to go to the channel and then get the link, copy the link and paste in the over here to get the total length. I hope this video helped you in any ways. If this video was helpful and useful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.